Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. This is Upama Sharpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change your birthday on Facebook from your mobile device. Facebook has a lot of features, but one of its most basic is the About page. Every Facebook user has an About page where you can find all sorts of information about them, whether that be their relationship status, hometown, or of course their birthday. Every bit of information on this page is editable, including that birthday date. However, changing your birthday dates has some restriction that the other piece of data don't have. Now, in order to change your birthday on Facebook, follow these simple steps. First, launch the app on your mobile device, then tap on it to open and log into your account. Once you have logged in, you can see the three horizontal lines on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and go to View Your Profile option and tap on it to open your profile. And as you are on your profile, you can see the Edit Profile option. Tap on it. Scroll down a little further and tap on Edit Your About Info. Once you tap on it, you can land on to Basic Info section. And here you can see the pencil icon available right next to Date of Birth option. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see your date of birth information available here, and you can tap on the dates if you want to make any changes for your birthday, or tap on month if you want to make changes for your month, or you can also change your birth year by tapping on it. And here you can see the audience option available. You can tap on it to make changes to set who can see your birthday on your profile. Now, although you can change your birthday on Facebook with just few clicks or taps, you can't always change it freely. There are three restrictions when it comes to Facebook birthdays. You can only change your birthday once every 2 weeks. And you can only change your birthday 3 times overall. There's no time limit on this. Once you have changed your account birthday 3 times, you can never change it again, unless you contact Facebook customer support team, and even then it's not guaranteed that they'll change it. And last but not the least, if you change your birthday to a date that makes your current age younger than 13, you may be banned from Facebook. That might also happen if you change your birthday to a date that signals you were younger than 13 when you created the account. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel, and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.